a game. That was kind of scary, guys, but
Yeah.
you can
Stop
just
moving.
wait.
And the real cat. I'm the real cat. You guys don't listen to the small cat.
Yeah.
I'm the real cat.
Let's quick go.
Guys, by the way, I hope the teacher doesn't see me with Oreos because I'm a cat. Okay, run! Follow me, Lale.
I'm just vlogging.
Lale, I'm Melody. Over here.
No,
Over here.
I know how na.
Run away. Oh, wait. Run away. Lale, over here. You keep vlogging. You're so... Lale, Mrs. Bloom is following you. Run! Meow. Meowser. Oh, I wish I could just jump on the fence. The fence are invisible. Cats cannot jump on the fence. Wait for me. Meow, 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 meow. Hide. Oh, these ones you can just walk
Ate,
in.
no, just quick.
What? Where are you?
Just run.
Where are you? There you
Here.
are.
Quick run.
I'm going in this direction. I'm looking. Just keep running. Ooh, a thing. Oh, meow. Come on. You're so slow. Such a slow poke. Lali, you're such a slow poke.
Now a fast.
No, I'm faster than you. Where should we go? Here?
Just try it.
No, they're all going here. Let's go with a pack.
Ate, nalaglag.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Come on. Oh, no. We're here. Lale, the teacher's coming. Don't go there.
Sabi ko na nga eh.
Run. I'm going with Anna. See ya, owner. Meow, meow, meow. Although. Meow, meow, meow. She sees me. Run. Oh, Lale, run. Lale, run.
Nahihirapan na tuloy ako sa'yo. Nar!
I'm vlogging.
Nahihirapan tuloy ako sa'yo.
Lale, your video.
Kasi meow, meow. You say touch me all you want. Okay, meow, meow. Meow.
Ayan yung kanyang boto. May tulog para sa buhay ng mga anak. May tulog na lang po. Bibigay ko na lang po ng 60 pesos.
Ate.
Hi guys, this is our original character. Lale, we can become these now.
Mga lima,
We can become these now. We can become perfect.
No, I can't be it. 10 minutes pa.
Wait for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna become Abby. Oh my god, I actually run like her.
Pakiconform po agad.
Okay, but you can't run now. You can't run fast.
At kung okay lang din naman
I
sa'yo,
wanna
pwede
become
mo
my cat one.
follow.
No.
Check my
Hi guys, I'm taller than her.
feedback.
I'm the best person in the world because I'm so tall. You're so slow. Come on, I can walk faster than you. I Lale, run!
Hello. So I can avoid everything.
No, I don't have no cookie. I died. Lale, she's coming for you.
Nope, I'm already super fast.
I will get the cookie. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get one instead.
Oof. I keep on oofing.
I'm not.
Ate, look, ang dami kong money.
What? Oh yeah. I was the same money earlier, but I used it.
Just grab so much Oreo.
Ito na mga lima. Next na
Can I even hide in? I can't hide in a locker by me. I wanna die. How am I eating a cookie?
Extra small ang price.
I'm eating the same cookie. Nom 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 nom.
Si Mami Chloe. Wala pa nga ata siya. Pero pinag ko na siya. Ito next natin.
Whenever you eat the cookie, you get faster. By the way.
Tag mo nga siya.
LMAO. Oh, okay.
Ayan.
I'm just gonna say my original character.
My bat.
Oh my god, this girl has some color.
16 na lang.
Lale, where are you? I'm running. Don't go out yet. They're
My
camping.
Batman, 4 to 6 years old.
I keep on getting tired. Oh my god, look at this person. She's so pretty.
Batman confirmed baby.
No, Prince Pankaroni, you're so beautiful. No, she left the game.
Okay? Next natin. Magkano shipping this?
Bro, why do you have to be her? All the time. Come on, you're slow pose.
Pero, all over the Philippines.
Oh wait, I have to do my platform.
Okay.
Faster! Oh wait, I forgot a cookie. Give me a cookie. Okay, I got 2 cookies.
Next natin.
It will never work if you're just a
Eat a cookie.
weird.
Eat a cookie.
Very
Eat another cookie. Extra.
Ate, find me. Ate, find me.
I'm gonna die, Lala. Stop it.
Hindi ko na nga makita.
Eat a cookie.
Oh, I died.
Tingnan na lang natin. Ito, Gara, my
Bro, I have to buy another cookie.
Ate, find me.
I wanna become Zip.
2 years old, my
Ate, find me. Ate, find me.
Mother.
Depende siya. Basta
Mother just killed me. Lale, can you become...
No!
items na.
Somebody become Oliver.
No, I'm not gonna be Oliver.
Okay, you're not my sister then. Where are you?
I'm holding a flashlight, and I'm the one have.
Do you see me? My Zip.
No, I'm already outside beside the cave.
I'm coming. Oh, Mother. Oh, thank you,
Run!
Mother. Mother, don't get me. Oh, Lale, if you become Oliver, then our mom will, what's that called again? What's it called again? Ano? The Oreo girl wouldn't get you. Look, I'm Zip, and
Have you seen me?
yeah.
Am I cute?
Honestly, you look cuter than your normal character. Come on, this way. At least Mother's not gonna kill us. Hi, girl.
24 months.
Why are they running? Oh! Mother is there. I'm gonna rock crazy. Okay, Lale. My mom's there. And she didn't even care to look at me. Ooh, this area is kind of nice.
Mine shark, bigay ko na lang to.
Run!
7.9. Mine shark.
I'm not running anymore.
Meron ni. Meron
Hi.
ni sa akin.
Hold on.
Antayin
I
mo.
thought your flashlight just fell down. There's nothing in here. We're trapped.
7.9. Mine shark.
Over here. Oh, Lale, I think we're trapped. Guys, me and my sister are
Okay.
trapped.
Bottom.
Oh, Lale, hide in the closet. Hide in the closet. Hide in the thing.
Jagger ni.
No, I'm just gonna be
Lale,
standing.
Mr. Cole's coming. Mr. Cole. Lale, Mr. Cole.
At I'm gonna pretend to be a statue.
Mr. Cole. Oh,
Ayun, kami ko jagger. Mine na lang nito na.
Hi, Lale.
5.9 na lang
Oh,
din.
Nino's son, Nino's here. I'm gonna marry a millionaire. If you die, Nino's crying, I'm gonna marry another guy. Look. Oh, why not?
69
I magically died, everyone. Oh. Everyone. Both of mother, where did you get me? Mother. Why? Mother is our mother. Ate, you want my mother? You don't listen to me. Ate, should we be the same character as well? I'm Zip. Become Zip. Oh my god, I found our brother, Oliver. Hi, yo. Our mother's there. Oh, yo, brother, what are we gonna do with Claire again? Remember
Where's Oliver?
remember we like make her fall down the thing and then we made her die because we made her. I know, right? I'm talking.
Ito din ako.
I'm talking to our bro Oliver. Yeah, right, Oliver. Where's it? Yeah, right, Oliver. You're here.
Ano ba yan, Jello?
Boy, you know, right?
Go.
Remember our mother. Our mother's the best, right? She's the best. And you know, right? Right? Buddy. Gotta wait for me. Hi. You're so slow. Lali, go that way.
No.
My sister's dog. Adopt my sister, please. Oh my god, we can move. Lala, I have a souvenir with me. Airplane. Hello.
No. We just have to run.
Just run straight. Lala, our mother's coming. Our mother's coming. Our mother's coming. Run. Oh, hello. We killed you. Why are you alive? Oh, Lala, our mother's here. Lala, hide in the locker. Our mother's here. Oh. Lala, I got teleported to another server. It's okay.
6 months to 9.
Oh, me too.
May pabunot sa yan.
Oh, there you are. Hi. Maybe because our mother was there. I'm Zip again. I wanna become this girl, but I'm gonna say this. I wanna get Oreo, so.
Teka nga, nakaka-disturbo sa atin. Pwede to partner mo na, oh. Mike Shark, tapos meron siyang parang jogger. Partner niya na to. 24 months, tapos 3 to 4 days. Okay, wait lang.
Ate,
Come on.
I got the
Lala,
idea, guys.
don't go out yet. Our mother's there.
Guys,
Oh, 100
I think should we just
My partner.
do some
My
stuff
partner.
when we already different character with this?
1 to 2 years old. Me waiting ako dyan mo pa.
Okay.
Years na kami na.
I'm gonna start with.
No!
You know who I'm gonna start with? Oliver, because I Oliver. I'm starting with Oliver's
Teka
girlfriend.
nga, tayo mo ah.
I'm going to use Oliver.
Joke lang.
Ate, now change your character.
I'm done.
I'm done too.
Where are you? I'm gonna wait for you.
I'm this girl.
Where?
Sorry, oh. Lumabas na.
Who are you? I
Holding
don't
the
see you.
flashlight.
Oh, there you are.
Fast running.
Okay.
Go.
Let me get a cookie real
Joke lang
quick.
po. Hindi ko
Run.
wala sa akin.
1, 2, I'm getting cookies. 1.
Baka magalit kayo sa akin.
Where are
On
you?
your way.
Baka kami lumalaman.
Run.
Nandyan na, yan oh.
Hey, I'm Alice. I'm not a student.
Nililibak nila.
I'm actually running faster than everyone. I'm gonna become on the lead.
Dahil kung natayin si Ate, natakot siya. Ibig sabihin na yung kusilyan niya ako. Baka ba bigyan ko lang siya. 12 months years, sir. 12 to 1 year old.
Alice.
Ay, 12 to 1 year. 12 to 2 years
Other
old.
way.
Ayun siya, my day. 29 na lang. 29 na lang.
Zipper's mother is there. It's okay. She won't tell me. I'm a teacher.
Ano yun yung question
What?
natin before, ha? Ako nakakarami.
Me, I'm a teacher. They don't get me. I'm a teacher.
Hindi yung
Hello,
action,
teacher.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Hello.
Next natin.
Yeah, my mom didn't change my hair. I also died. Ate, I'm just,
Jogger.
ano kasi na-off na ako How can we? Don't you a different hair? I wanna be Oliver. If your girlfriend dies, you have to find her after you cry. Get us a team meeting in class. Lala, why you not getting Oreos anymore? No more Oreo time. I ran an Oreo already. Who cares?
3 to 6 months.
Cause we're gonna die. Bye. Oh no, I'm Oliver and I'm fast.
Wala akong t-shirt. Ano ako?
Hi, mother.
Jacket, bottoms, leggings, pang-alis na parang mga
Ow.
joggers,
Oh my God, Lala.
tulog,
She's not following me anymore.
neck,
It's because I showed you her my cookie.
pero mga t-shirt.
Mm.